Assalamu alaikum and a lovely, lovely, lovely morning to all of my beautiful, cute little students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in your very, very good health. You're all safe and enjoying your new beautiful day. It's monsoon, so it's humid as well because every season has something good in it and something a little bit uncomfortable in it, but we should be happy about all the seasons, all kind of weathers, because we enjoy in all kind of weathers. There are like different things we enjoy, there are different things a little uncomfortable, but we love all the seasons and all kind of weathers. So we're going to start our lecture today. Right now, we are in our literacy class. And in our literacy class, we are playing and learning about alphabets. Yes, we have done a lot of alphabets. We did revision for that as well. And today also, we are going to revise the vocabulary. Yes, we are going to do the vocabulary for that. So we've done a lot of pictures and a lot of alphabets, a lot of vocabulary. And we enjoyed that. We are going to just revise them a little. So first of all, I think you should take out your alphabet fun book N to Z. Beautiful purple book with a beautiful purple dino, beautiful. So nice color, purple, right? Purple color which we have. So you're going to take out this book and you will be taking out page number 22. Yes. Please take out page number 22. We are doing the vocabulary today. We are going to have that on the book, and then we will watch a couple of videos today. Yay! We have a couple of videos for you because we're doing the vocabulary from N to S, so we are going to have that, right? Okay, so first of all, we're going to have a look at this page. That is page number 22 and 23. We have got a lot of vocabulary over here. We have done that even, and we are going to just revise that. Now, look at this N. Remember we did that? We did nail. Remember? Yes, we did nail. N is for nail. N is for not the butterfly. Somebody's catching the butterfly with what? With a net. Yes. This is a net. So N is for net and N is for needle. What do we do with the needle? Yes, we stitch, we sew with the needle. That's great. Then N, N, yes, we did that. Then O, O. Remember we did octopus. Yes, we did that. We did orange too, and we did ostrich as well. Yay! So octopus, orange, ostrich. Yay! See, do you remember all of them? And that's great. So O has a lot of vocabulary. We're just revising the couple of the things which are on the textbook on this page, but you can have lot of things around you which you can find and you can make a list of, right? So then P. Oh, P is for piano. Then P is for pillow and P is for pot. The pot we cook in things, right? So piano, pillow, pot, potato. One of the most favorite vegetable of everybody, potato. That starts with P. Then Q is for quail, Q is for queen, and Q is for quail. This is quail and this is quail. Quail is a bird. Remember, I we listened to the sound of that bird. Beautiful sound. Remember that? Okay. And then R. R is for rope. R is for a radio. And R is for rabbit. Yes. Rope, radio, Rabbit. That's great. And then what do we have at the end is S, S, yes. Sun, the biggest star of our solar system. Remember? Huge fireball, hot. This is the huge star of our solar system. The in all the planets, they move around the sun, remember? Yes. Then we have snail, and then at the end we have a sack, right? A sack in which we put kind of grains in it, right? So that is called a sack. Yes, that is a sack. Okay, so now we are going to watch a couple of videos. Yes, we have more than one video today to watch because we're doing a lot of vocabulary. So you see, we have made so wonderful videos for you to watch. So, and I'm going to tell you that what you have to do but at the end. Okay, so I'm going to start sharing my screen over here. Okay, so we are going to start with N. We're going to start with N.
Letter N. 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 Na. 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 Mute. Mute. Nest. Nest.
Nest. Okay, thank you. So in another video we did N, and now we are going to do P. Okay, P. Let's see.
Letter P. 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 And it sounds pa. Pa.
Parrot. Wow. Parrot.
Parrot.
What is this? Think, what is this? Pelican. Yay, pelican. Wow.
Pelican.
Pelican. Wow, what is this? Start for P. Per. Yay, puppy. Puppy.
Puppy.
Yay. Per.
Pike.
Pike. Wow. Ooh. What does this look like?
Panther.
Yay, panther. Wow, Black Panther. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are going to share another that will be R. Yes. So we will do R.
R, R,
R. Yes.
and it sound is
R.
ra,
R.
ra.
Raccoon. Remember we did that? Yay. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. What is this? Oh my god. Wow. Dangerous.
Rhino,
Yes, this is rhino. A gray rhino. Okay, thank you. And the last is S. Now let's see what we have.
letter S, 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 and its sound is sa, sa, sa.
S. Swan. Yay. It's a swan.
Swan,
Yay. Mm. S. Snake. Oh God. Yay.
snake,
S is for something very common. You see it every day. Yay. Yay. What is it?
sparrow.
Yes. Sparrow. That's great. That was fun. Thank you. So we enjoyed it. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Yes. So this was a little vocabulary of R, S, P. So I hope you have enjoyed it. And there are a lot of other words as well that starts with all of these words. So you have to find those as well, right? So now we are going to do another exercise. I think we will do one more exercise. For that, you need to take out your light blue book, Alphabet Fun A to Z, the light blue one. Yeah, please take that out and take out page number 34 in it. Yes, take out page number 34. Okay, here we are going to match the alphabets. Yes, we are going to match the alphabets here. Oh, now we did the vocabulary, and now we're going to match the alphabets, right? Yes. Okay, so this is page number 34 over here, right? So they have given a couple of alphabets over here, letters, and a couple of letters over here. They're all the same, but only difference is that in one line they have capital letters, in the other line they have small letters. So we need to find and match the letters. Okay, all right. Okay. So the first one is N, right? N, right? So we are going to find where we can see these small N. So we are going to, yes, you'll be needing your lead pencils. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you that. So you'll be needing your pencils as well. So because you are going to draw a line starting from the capital letter and going towards the small letter. So with the help of that line, we are going to join them together, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you how. This is N, so we're going to find where we have a small n. Yes, over here, right? So from here, we are going to make draw a line to join this. Okay, got that? Right, okay. So O. O, so we're going to find here O over here, right? So we are going to draw a line from the capital O towards the small O, right? Done? Okay. Then we got P. P, P, P. No. Yes, over here. So we are going to draw a line. Are you all drawing the line? Okay, no problem. You can do it later on, right? I'm just telling you how to do it. You can do it later on, right? As your homework, you can do that. Then we have Q, right? So we are going to look for Q, 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 Q. Here or here? Yeah, this. So we're going to draw a line towards small q. Okay, then R. R. Okay, and where we can find R? Yay, over here, R and R. So from the capital R, we are going to trace the line, sorry, draw a line over here, right? Okay, that's great. And then S. The small s and the capital S, they are of the same shape as O and P. So S, right? Okay, that's great. So you will be doing this as your homework. I have told you, I have explained to you how you're going to join the capital letters with the small letters, right? So that's easy for you. I know you can do that on your own. You don't even need help from any of your family member because you know the capital letters and you know these small letters as well. Yeah, okay, that's super great. So this was our literacy class today, and as I told you that we are making a lot of videos, as you have seen it today as well. So what do you have to do? Because all the time I'm asking you a little favor, and that little favor is to subscribe the channel. Yes, that is to subscribe the channel and give the videos a thumbs up. And yes, of course, you love your friends and you share with your friends. So you need to share these videos also with your friends, right? Yeah, that will be great. So this was our literacy class today, in which we have done the vocabulary and the alphabet from N to S. And I hope you have enjoyed the lecture as well, and you have enjoyed the videos as well. Yeah, I hope that. So I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, please stay safe, wear your masks, keep washing your hands, keeping yourself neat, tidy, clean, and maintain the social distancing, coughing, sneezing in your elbow, no shaking hands, only elbow bump, right? Still. And the most important thing which I am reminding you of to get vaccinated, which is really important. So I hope all of your family members are vaccinated now, and they're all even more safe than it was earlier, right? That is even very important. So we all have to follow the rules. It's again the eat time, and it's very crowded outside. So please try to be safe so you can be happier and healthier, right? So I'm going to say goodbye until we see each other, inshallah, very soon. I'm going to say Allah Hafiz to you. Stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. Okay, bye bye.